Hi, Avengers. Today we're going to show you how to make a magnet squirrel.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be long, but really cool after it.
Mm-hmm.
So let's get right into this. So first you need this kind of magnet. Lay it down, then this one, and two of these, and then you put them like this. And then you're gonna grab two of these for the start of the tail. So yeah, and then you do that. And then you're gonna grab another,
Honey,
and then this.
Honey.
And then you're gonna grab one more square and put it on the tip of the tail. And then you're gonna take a lot of these and then start building all over it. So now you see that we covered this whole thing in squares. We're going to do the same thing with the tail. We'll be back when the tail is all covered in squares.
Okay.
So now this is done. And then what you want to do is connect these. So like that. And then you want to build on top of it, and we will be back when that's done. Okay? So now what you want to do is use the same magnets on the top, so it'll look like the same on the bottom. And then you want to take two of these triangles and sit this guy up. And then you put them on the top so he has ears and he can listen. And then you put his little feet on. You need to use two triangles to do the feet. And then you take two of these and then you connect them, and that's how you build a squirrel.
Yes, you did a great job. Now I'm going to do a turtle. Okay.